Welcome to week 72 of my renovation here on Iris Street. My name's Adam, and I've been renovating this house for about 500 days. This week, I drywall, and then I drywall some more, and then friends help me drywall, and then relatives help me drywall. So let's get to drywalling. Hey guys, just real quick, it's the 500th day of my renovation, so I want to give you just a quick shot of things how they are right now on day 500. Drywall is going in the front room here. Hopefully I'll wrap most of this up this weekend. The kitchen is about half done, still need to do the lower half. The dining room still needs a lot of work. One of those joists over there will need to be planed down. It's pretty proud by like 1/4 or 3/8 of an inch, quite a bit. Bathrooms, I need to get some green moisture resistant sheetrock, so waiting to do those. The master bedroom just needs drywall on the bottom, as well as its closet. And that's about it. The office needs drywall, so there's a good bit left, the stairwell area and the vault, but it's coming along. I have a symphony concert to go to tonight, so I probably won't do anything on the house, but I'll see you tomorrow. My buddy Spencer's gonna help me with some more drywall. We'll see you then. Happy day 500. Spencer's one of my good buddies, and I used to work with him. We both enjoy cars and video games, and he's got an unfinished basement that he's considering finishing himself. So he asked me if he could help me do some drywalling just to learn. I figured these closets were the perfect place to practice for him, and it was actually really helpful. Taught him how to cut drywall and how to mark the studs and hang sheets. Again, drywalling's pretty simple, but it was nice to have Spencer, and it always passes the time a lot quicker when you can have a buddy helping you out. This Sunday marks the beginning of daylight savings time here in America, except for Arizona, because we do dumb time zones here in America. My dad had to plane down this one stud. It was really proud. After that, we could start hanging some sheets up in the dining room and this bedroom. We're just starting to tackle any sheets that hadn't been hung up, and it was just a day of hanging sheets wherever we could. So my dad came up this Sunday, and so did my Uncle David. Both my Uncle David and Uncle Daniel, you've been seeing them in some of these videos. They are awesome help, and so is my dad. And we just went to town, kind of started in the bedroom, did the dining room, and ended up in the living room and kitchen area for the rest of the day. On the last day of this week, Tuesday as it happens to be, it's just me, so I'm doing these lower sheets. That's kind of how we've worked as a team. Hang the high sheets, hang the difficult sheets, and then on the weekdays when it's just me, I work on the lower sheets because I don't need to have 8 arms to hold them up while I'm working with them. I do still need to get some shims and pry bars underneath the bottom just to hold it tight to that top sheet, but that's pretty easy for me to do. So I worked in my office, worked in the living room, and just anywhere that needed drywall on this final Tuesday.